Need to do a fire, and I'm going to use Beaver Bushcraft to get this little mini tin here with some tinder and some flint and everything. So I got some wood shavings from some carving I've been doing. I got a dry grass there. I'm just going to make a little fire because I need some ash for another project. Hopefully this birch bark will go up, but I haven't done a flint and steel in a while, so I figured I'd give it a go. I'm going to use some amadou, which again Beaver Bushcraft makes the best. I mean, look how fibrous that is. I'm only going to use a little bit because this stuff's a bit hard to get by. Okay. So the way I do it is I put the tinder on the flint. Some people do the opposite. Some people smack the flint to the steel. I do steel the flint. So let's see if I can get this going here. Mine's picture there. I'm getting the sparks. I'm just see if I can get it this side. Still in the frame? Yep. Nope, gotta change it now. Again, this is just me being rusty. I rely on flint and steel way too much. Nope. I like to do some hand drill stuff, but we'll see. I'm trying to get as much done as I can while the weather's nice. Oh, there you go. So it took me long enough, going up quick. Right, so when you do this, don't make the middle hollow because then it just burns through. So I did like a figure 8. There you go. So, still do it. Took me longer than I wanted to, but hey, got it going. Thanks guys for watching. I'll catch you next video. Bye.